I will show you how you can make QR code for anything, for YouTube channel, for social media, for your documents, or anything. You can make QR code, scan with a phone and go to this website or a file or anything. So let's dive in. So we're gonna go here on Google and we're gonna type QR code monkey. And here we're gonna go on this link. And here we have a lot of options. We have a URL. We can put any here. We can put any text to be when we scan, email, phone, SMS, location, like just scan and you can go to some location you can send to someone. Social media, Twitter, YouTube, so everything. I will go here now and you can customize everything here. I will go with YouTube and I will paste here a link from my YouTube channel. So here it is. And okay, we can customize, we can put some colors or something just to pick up here and here also, background color. We will not do nothing. We will just go basic just to have some QR code. Just I'm showing you, you can customize by yourself, experiment. It's free totally. You can upload the image here and it's gonna show like this in the middle. Logo and customized design, so your QR code can look like this. So you can play with this. But now we will not do nothing. The most important thing is we put our YouTube here. It can be also for subscribe. We need to add one more line of the text here, but I will not put now. Just this is for the channel, and just simple, we will go here and create QR code. And we will go here to download PNG. In this file is gonna save. And your QR code is being generated. So let's wait a little. And we're gonna click save. And if we go here on QR code, that's it. And when you scan with the phone, it's gonna bring you to my YouTube channel. So you can do basically for anything here, specific text, email. It is easy and free, and this is how you do. Okay, if you like the video, subscribe, like, and see you in the next one.